But you had a shoulder buddy on your list.
That's all I want. Stop.
But I called you out to listen to your list.
I don't have one. I'm a shoulder buddy.
Mommy, what are these? Are these dollars?
Pennies.
Pennies? What do they count? Like twos?
One.
One?
1 penny. 1 cent.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 cents. And this counts $1?
No, that's 25 cents.
25 cents. So how much do I have?
You tell me if you have 25 plus 6 cents.
31 cents. 31 cents? Can I buy a paintball gun with that?
31 cents. What if I rip this?
Don't! It's my Christmas
Can you
list.
stop videotaping?